It's another JMD Janitorial tutorial. We're just going to go over the cart before you set out, specifically to do the restrooms for proper restroom care. A lot of companies are taking shortcuts. They may have multiple bottles on their cart, but I promise you they're using off-brand chemicals that may be harsh, and they are not as effective. So we're going to kind of go over what JMD Janitorial normally keeps on our cart. Here we go. Okay, so at this time, we're going to always keep some disposable paper towels. Okay, we have what is known as NABC. Okay, it's a non-acid disinfectant bathroom cleaner. Okay, we have what is HDQ. It's a one-step disinfectant. And again, having the bottles is one thing, but having the SDS sheets on your bottle is a whole nother, what I like to say, step up in your game. So here we go. You got your window, concentrated window cleaner, and all of this stuff is properly diluted. Okay. And then for your floors, we're going to have our trusty damp mop. Okay, so neutral cleaner. Okay, and we keep our phenol disinfectant. Primarily, this is what they use. It has like the hospital grade smell, but you see where that's important for disinfecting. Then, of course, stainless steel cleaner polish. Here you go. All right, and we always going to have our trusty powder-free latex, primarily nitrile gloves, but today it's going to be latex. All right, again, that's just what the cart looks like, showing you that we have the different bottles in addition to that with the SDS sheets. So it's real important, that when you are out there, that you are projecting a professional image, but you also have the products to back that image up.